Here is our problem. We need to find the values of x and y. Let's first work out the right side, then the left side, and match them up. Let's start with the right side. We take the first two pieces and open them up. Each part in the first bracket times each part in the second bracket. 2 times -5 gives -10. 2 times 5i gives 10i, -3i times -5 gives 15i. And -3i times 5i gives -15i squared. Now remember our magic rule, I squared is -1. So -15 times I squared becomes -15 times -1, which is +15. Let's put the number parts together. -10 plus 15 is 5. And the I parts together, 10i plus 15i is 25i. So we get 5 plus 25i. Great. Now we take our answer and times it by -3i over 5. Let's open this up carefully. -3i times 5 gives -15i. And -3i times 25i gives -75i squared. Both are over 5. Again, I squared is -1. So -75 times -1 becomes +75. Now let's split into equal parts by 5. 75 split by 5 is 15. And -15i split by 5 is -3i. So the whole right side is just 15 take away 3i, nice and clean. Now let's open up the left side the same way. Each part in the first bracket times each part in the second bracket. We get x, take away xi, plus yi, take away yi squared. Now let's use our magic rule on I squared again. Since I squared is -1, y times -1 becomes +y. Now we group. The number parts give x plus y, and the I parts give y take away x, times I. Now here is the big idea. The left side must equal the right side. So the number part on the left must match the number part on the right. And the I part on the left must match the I part on the right. From the number parts x plus y equals 15. From the I parts, y take away x equals -3. Now we have two easy equations to solve. A nice trick, if we add both equations, the x and -x cancel out. We are left with 2y equals 12. 12 split into 2 equal parts gives us 6. So y equals 6. Now put y equals 6 back into our first equation. X plus 6 equals 15. So x equals 15 take away 6, which is 9. We did it. The answer is x equals 9 and y equals 6. That was a big problem with lots of steps, and you worked through every single one. Amazing job.